Okay, now get to the multifunctional actuators. It can be flexibly programmed as switching, curtain, and HVAC control. So, the cost in general will be cheaper than classic actuators. The main characteristics are for 4 volts. It can be set as maximum 4-channel switch outputs, or 2-channel AC curtain outputs, or 1-channel DC curtain outputs, or 1-channel fan control outputs, or 1-channel valve control output. For 8 volts, it can be set as maximum 8-channel switch outputs, 4-channel AC curtain outputs, 2-channel DC curtain outputs, 2-channel fan control outputs, or 2-channel valve control outputs. For 16 volts, it can be set as maximum 16 switch outputs, 8-channel AC curtain outputs, 4-channel DC curtain outputs, 4-channel fan control outputs, or 4-channel valve control outputs. For 24 volts, it can be set as maximum 24-channel switch outputs, 12-channel AC curtain outputs, 6-channel DC curtain outputs, 6-channel fan control outputs, or 6-channel valve control outputs. The output requirements are configured via parameter. Switch output connect some electrical loads such as lighting, socket. All channels have the function of general switch, staircase lighting, lighting flashing, and switch delay, scene, operation hours counter, logic, and force operation. Curtain output, AC or DC, connect with motor blands, awnings, roller blands, vertical blands, etc. with operating shutter and slot adjustment, automatic sun protection, scene, and safety operation, etc. Fan control, support up to 3-level fan speed with general operation, forced operation, auto operation, and status response, etc. Valve control, connect with 2 pipes or 4-pipe system, support 3 valve control types, 3-point, open and close, continuous PWM, and 2-state on or off, and support disable, enable, heat and cool, valve status response, valve purge, etc. Then let's take a look of the database on ETS. In this section, I will show you all possible parameters, but I just emphasize some important ones. Okay, let's take a look at the database for multifunctional actuators: 4 volt, 8 volt, 16 volt, and 24 volts. This is the general setting here, and for each channel we can see it can be used as switch, curtain AC, heating, cooling, 2-pipe. Okay, if we choose this one, we want to check the switch function, then we can see here it's switch actuator, and the special function here, time, logic, scene, forced, and operation hour counter. It's quite similar with these classic actuators. Okay, then if we use it as curtain AC mode, we can see it's quite similar with shut actuator. Okay, so this the same thing, and it is also the same, the scene control, maximum 8. Okay, so if we choose it as another one, for example the curtain DC, so it has to use 4 channels. Okay, let's check the DC. Here we can also control the ventilation band, and shutter is the same with shutter actuator, and the drive is the same. This also the same. The scene is the same. Maximum 8 scenes. and the safety is also the same. And if we go back to this channel, we choose another one. For example, we choose the heating, and yeah, let's check the heating. It's something different. Okay, you can choose this, and for each heating, these three types is the same with fan coil actuator. Okay, let's go back. If we choose another one, for example, we choose the fan control. Okay, these channels are used for fan control. We can control one level or multi-level, and we can also set the fan speed here. It's the same with fan coil actuator actually. So let's check the last one. If we use it as valve control for pipe. Okay, if we use this one, let's check the difference here. The heating and cooling for pipe to control value, and the heating setting we can set like this. The cooling is also like this. Okay, as you can see, this multifunctional. It can work as the classic switch actuator, classic starter actuator, and classic fan coil actuator. We have 4 volts, 8 volts, 16 volts, and 24 volts. Thank you. Stay tuned.